Hi everyone, I'm going to work with you on an example of how to use logarithmic differentiation in the case in which you have an exponential equation to differentiate, and that exponential equation has a variable base and a variable exponent. If that's the type of exponential equation you have and you want to find the derivative of it, you have to use logarithmic differentiation. So we're going to walk through how to do that. So we're going to start by taking the natural log of both sides of the equation, and then we're going to use your laws of logarithms on the right side, and according to those laws, that exponent, remember, can kick to the front. So the left side's going to stay as it is for now, and we're going to bring that x minus 1 exponent to the front. At this point, it becomes an implicit differentiation problem. So on the left, when we differentiate natural log of y with respect to x, we would have 1 over y times dy dx. On the right side, in order to do that derivative, notice that you have the product of two variable functions, x minus 1 and natural log of x. So you do have to use the product rule to find that derivative. So we're going to keep the first quantity, multiply by the derivative of natural log of x, which is 1 over x, plus, and then we'll keep the natural log of x and multiply by the derivative of x minus 1, which is 1. So the next step, would be to get dy dx by itself. So to do that, we can multiply both sides of the equation by y. So we'd have y times the quantity, and we'll clean this up a little bit. And that would be your answer. Now, where you're typically going to see this is on the multiple choice problems on the AP exam. And what they will often do, in place of this y, they will substitute that which was given at the start to be equal to y. So you might see the answer written instead as x to the x minus 1, because that's y, and then times all of this. The important thing for you to remember is that they're not going to tell you you need to do logarithmic differentiation. That is yours to realize. So if you notice you have an exponential equation to differentiate, and that exponential equation has a variable base and a variable exponent, you have to use this process of logarithmic differentiation.